Hi, this is Heidi from StoneGnome.com. I've been working a lot with reversed stitches lately, the Tunisian Reverse Stitch, and I like the way it looks with the little bumps here. On the right side you get like a chain-like edge. That's really fine with me, but right before that it's pretty empty here and I want to do something about that. On the left side, you might already know this, but I will show you how to also make the left side look good. Here I have another sample, and as you can see, the right side looks different. There are a lot more bumps here at the last row. The side is also a little bit wider than the middle of the work. But when you do join this with another piece of crochet, it doesn't show, so it's fine with me. Let's just do a couple of Tunisian reverse stitches. You make them by putting your hook to the back of the work and inserting behind one bar here. Push it out on the back, yarn over and pull through. And I guess you already know this if you know Tunisian. I'll just do it again. Behind the work, insert the hook behind the bar, put it out on the back, yarn over and pull through. And let's do the left side here. To create a bump here at the left, insert the hook from the back of the work, find just one bar and insert your hook here. And if you turn the work around, you can see you actually have two bars on the other side here. Now yarn over and pull through, and use your fingertips if you want. This one might be a little tight. Now let's chain one here and let's go do the right side of the work. Stop when you have 3 loops left on the hook. Now do a yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. Now make a chain, and this will create a little bump when you do the next row of Tunisian reverse stitches. And you will go insert your hook behind this bar here, the second one. So hook behind the work, find the right place to insert it. It's this one. Yarn over and pull through. And the next one, behind the work, insert behind the bar, yarn over and pull through, like that. I will show this again. So, like this. I'll do one more, yarn over and pull through 2, just like we always do. And now I have 3 loops left on the hook. I'll do a yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. I'm working the last 2 stitches at once. Chain 1 here. And be sure to not tighten this too much, because that's what will create the little bump right below here. Now, next row. Hook behind the work and try and find, we're going to find this one. Hook behind the work. Now it's going to be tricky here. Like that. I can show you here probably. Yarn over and pull through. So you're actually doing a normal pull-up loops forward row. You just need to find your stitches because they're more tight now than usual. here into the hook here behind the bar, yarn over and pull through. This is how I work the right side of the work, and then I find it easier to join it to another part afterwards. When I do join, I insert my needle here, right below every little bump at the side. There's like a natural hole. So I insert the needle here. And at the other side, there's like a diagonal here. And I put my needle behind that one. And right below that, there is another hole, and I like to insert the needle here. But there are more ways to do it, I think. I tried different ways, and this is the one that worked for me the last times I made this. Here I have a sample. It's for a hat pattern I recently did. And you can see the join part is here. This is the join row. The stitches here are made with a regular needle. And this is, by the way, is a 3-strand work. That's why they look so lovely and puffy here. But this is the joined row, and it does blend in very well, I think. It's not invisible, but in this case it's for a hat. And this part is going to be the side, is going to be like this. So see, when I turn it around, I think it looks pretty good. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and that you like my tips. You are very welcome to visit my blog at StoneGnome.com. And I would love if you give me a like here and if you share this among your crochet buddies. Thank you very much.